We have not wings, we cannot soar, but we have feet to scale and climb by small degrees, by more and more, the cloudy summits of our time, the mighty pyramids of stone that wedge-like cleave the desert airs, when nearer seen and better known are but gigantic flights of stairs. The distant mountains that uprear their solid bastions in the skies are crossed by pathways that appear as we die, and levels rise. The heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward.